So I'm Keith Barr, Director of Strategy for Firefly Business Group. We've worked with e-workplace apps on a couple of different customers. This was really the first one that we worked with on the process manufacturing. We found that their team was very good to work with. That was the feedback that I got from my deployment people. Very good at working with our team and with the Royal Crest team at the same time to get the system set up and running. So we've had a terrific experience with them so far. This was kind of the first stab for all of us in the dairy industry. So I know we had some work to do on the reporting side, and I thought eWorkplace Apps did a really nice job on that part of this deployment. So we've been very happy with our relationship with them. It was great. We contacted Ralph. We had initially brought Ralph into this deal before the process manufacturing was available for quality, and then we brought him. Went back to him when Royal Crest came back to us a number of months later. The process manufacturing was available at that time, and we brought you guys in early on the pre-sales process, and I think that went very smooth, and everything turned out very well on that side. That weren't there to start with, that we had to create from scratch, and I know that took some time to do, but I think the end product turned out to be really good, and we're again very easy to work with, very responsive, and my team had nothing but great things to say about working with eWorkplace Apps.